Today I'm going to show you how to finish your stretch bracelet using Powercord or elastic cord. I'm Elaine. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. Let's get started. I'm using 8mm black Powercord for visual purposes today, but we here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads have an array of different colors of Powercord, as well as elastic cord. Comes in different sizes and colors. So the first thing we have is a piece of Powercord, and I'm going to prep this cord. And to do that, you're going to stretch and tug it, and you can be pretty vigorous with this because Powercord is very strong and durable. So after you do a couple of pulls, that preps the cord. I have a bracelet here that I already have strung on my Powercord, and I have at the ends, I've secured it with 2 bead stoppers. So now I'm going to take the bead stoppers off and we're going to begin tying our knot. So we're going to start off by doing a single knot, but turning it into a surgeon knot. So what I mean is going under once and then under again. So you're going to grab that, and that's a surgeon's knot. So we're going to pull that tight. And then we're going to finish that off with one more single knot at the top. And you're going to pull that tight. And there you have your nice tight knot there. Okay, so now I have my knot, and I'm going to secure it with a little bit of E6000 glue. Just a little bit. And the reason why I love E6000 glue is it's very flexible when it dries, and it works really great with Powercord and elastic. Now we're going to let that set and dry for 24 hours. I clipped off the tails and hid the knot inside a nearby bead for a clean, seamless look. After 24 hours, we now have a finished stretch bracelet. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to sign up for our email newsletter. We'll see you soon.